Swipe, swipe, swipe. I'm so tired of swiping all day. What the? Oh my god. Mom, guess what? We can go back to school.
I already know, but masks, social distancing, and hand sanitizer are all required if you want to go back.
Yeah, totally. Like, that's what I've been doing for the last 7 months, so can I go?
As long as you follow those guidelines, absolutely.
Yes!
And on that day, Christian walked away smiling with himself, for he could finally see his friends once again. He was happy, and he could see the light at the end of the tunnel.
It's a bye size. Good night.
Can we please just start?